Lecture number 10, application of model portfolio. As we already discussed 9 lectures and you covered that 9 lectures, now this lecture will be the conclusive one. We apply and give you a solution based on past 9 lectures. The people have said that how we create a model portfolio in a real-time basis. So this lecture will help them out to apply or create a model portfolio. For the application of model portfolio, the first step is to open a DMAT and trading account. Open a DMAT and trading account with the broker who provide you a good service and offer a competitive brokerages. Mind it, use that broker which also give you a best IT platform. Step 2. Define your trade style. Define your trading strategy, whether you are intraday or positional or value investor. Before creation of any model portfolio, we kept in mind which kind of trade style will be more suitable to you. Don't mix different trading styles in a single portfolio or a trading account. Step 3. Value of your portfolio. Many of the people will start creating their model portfolio without fixing their portfolio value. So first, fix the amount or value of your portfolio. Say for example, my intraday portfolio contribution is $1 lakh. You can create with $10,000 or $1 lakh or $10 lakh. Always get exposures within the portfolio value. Don't get excess leverage. Step 4. Fix the maximum number of stock positions that you kept at one point of time. Say for the intraday tradings, maximum positions, number of positions that I trade in a day is 6. For the momentum or the positional trades, the maximum position may be 8 or 12. For the value investment, the maximum positions say to be 15 to 20. Please remember, also decide the amount of contribution per stock at a point of time. Say my portfolio is $10 lakh. Then my per trade size will be the portfolio value divided by the max positions at a point of time. For example, if we are moving in an intraday trading portfolio and the maximum positions of a stocks are 6 at a point of time, then $10 lakh divided by 6, that means approximately $1,50,000 you have to contribute per amount of stock. Discuss step 5th. Stock filtration and trade plans. Apply best possible stock filtration and select number of limited stocks on which you can create a conclusive trade plan. For getting a conclusive trade plan requires a lot of exercise and time. So keep predefined trade plans before market openings. Step 6. Define risk-reward ratio. Before going to any trade, you must fix your risk-reward ratio. We take only those stocks or trades, those have a risk-reward ratio of more than 1:2. That means for $1 loss, we provide an opportunity of $2 gain. Now I give as application of model portfolios and provide you the samples on your screen. The first model portfolio that is shown on your screen is for intraday. The trading style is intraday, that means same day trade validity. Value of portfolio is $50,000. Number of maximum positions in a portfolio is 6. Amount contribution per stock is $50,000 divided by 6, that means $8,300 per stock approximately. Minimum risk reward ratio that we have to maintain is 1:2, and the representation will be given to all sectors. Another portfolio that will see on your screen is for positional trade. Trade style is for positional or momentum. That means that have a time horizon of week to month. Value of portfolio $50,000 again. Number of positions maximum that we can create is 12. Amount contribution per trade, that means 50,000 divided by 12, that is $4160 per stock approximately. Minimum risk reward ratio is 1:3, and the representation will be given to all sectors. The third sample model portfolio is for value investment. Trade style is value investment. Value of portfolio again $50,000. Number of maximum position that we can create is 15. Amount contribution per stock is $50,000 divided by 15, that means $3,333 per stock. We're putting that $3,333 not in single part. We divided this contribution in 3 parts. Put one part in the current price, and the next 2 parts will be invested on a consecutive fall. Minimum risk reward ratio is 1:5, and representation will be given to all sectors. That means create positions in various sectors at a point of time.